Greetings, fellow editors. Today, let's dive into the world of creating proxies in DaVinci Resolve, a game changer for a smoother editing experience. Firstly, head to Project Settings. In the right corner, find Master Settings. Scroll down to Optimize Media and Render Cache. Here, you'll spot Proxy Media Resolution. Choose the resolution for your proxies. The lower, the better for your workflow. I typically go with 1/4. Now, select your proxy media format. I recommend using SQ. Once decided, hit Save. Great, you've set the groundwork. Next, select all the clips you want to convert into proxies. Right-click and choose Generate Proxy Media. Voila! You're now automatically working with proxies, ensuring a more efficient editing process. And here's a pro tip. When you export your finished work, it will export in the full resolution of your original clips. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to follow for more editing tips. Until next time, happy editing.